Hello and welcome to Maxit. Whilst the iPhone 13 is a little way off, we thought we would bring you all the rumours and leaks that are currently out there. We're a new channel and really appreciate your support, so please like and subscribe. Thank you. It's thought iPhone 13 could see a smaller notch. This could be achieved by moving the top speaker. A new leak, however, suggests Apple may achieve the new downsizing by combining the infrared flood illuminator, sensor and dot projector, which make up the Face ID unlocking system. With two fewer sensors, a much narrower notch could be achieved. In addition, the iPhone 13 could be thicker to accommodate a larger battery. However, the biggest change could be one handset may feature portless design and opt for charging and transferring data to be carried out wirelessly. A report from ET News said Apple will use a 120Hz refresh rate for the Pro models, allowing for smoother scrolling, gameplay and video playback. An LTPO display could enable the phone to not only have a super smooth refresh rate, but also keep the same neat frame seen on the iPhone 12. Much is known about the changes Apple will make to its camera setup. However, one rumour suggests the iPhone 13 Pro models may offer a new 6-element ultra-wide lens and autofocus capability. Another rumour indicates Apple is looking to find a supplier for a folded lens camera that will improve optical zoom. Various reports believe larger sensors may be used to increase light intake, giving better quality photos. One final addition is to add LiDAR to the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. It's likely that an A15 Bionic chip will be used, a successor to the current A14 Bionic in the iPhone 12. The iPhone 13 could see a boost in terms of wireless connectivity, as Apple has plans to use Qualcomm's X60 5G modem. This is important as the 5nm X60 modem can integrate directly into a phone's chipset, meaning lower battery drain. It's been rumoured that the iPhone 13 could adopt liquid crystal polymer circuit boards for imaging purposes. This, coupled with 5G connectivity, has the potential to speed up applications like streaming or augmented reality. Apple is working towards an in-screen fingerprint sensor for the iPhone 13, in addition to Face ID. Apple viewed both biometric technologies as complementary, so potentially the iPhone 13 would sport Face ID and Touch ID. Given that the current version of Face ID cannot recognise people with masks, it's thought Apple will need to rethink how to bring back Touch ID in a much sleeker way. One report from a leading analyst suggests that Apple will continue with the current four handsets: a 5.4-inch iPhone 13 mini, 6.1-inch iPhone 13, a 6.1-inch iPhone 13 Pro, and a 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max. As for the price, it's expected to keep to the 2020 price structure, that is $699, $799, $999 and $1,099 respectively. Historically, Apple has released iPhones on the 4th Friday of September, so based on that, rumour has it that a launch date of September the 24th, 2021 is possible. Thanks for watching. As soon as more is known about the new upcoming iPhone 13, we'll bring you further videos. Thanks for watching, bye bye for now.